Now next important chapter under trigonometry we are having, that is trigonometric equations. Now since we have started the chapter, we have gone through the angles and length arcs or arc lengths, then we have done identities, then we have done the values, the formulas, compound angles, then sum and difference of the angles, graphical parts. Now just consulting or under considering the graphical part, we are going with the trigonometric equations. Now what basically equation is? Now suppose I am asking you that sin theta is equal to 0, then what theta can be? Okay. So now if you are in class 10th, now you are in 11th, suppose I am just supposing, or you can say when you were in class 10th, you were aware of only about the first quadrant. You used some formulas that were sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, means from 0 to 90 only. Now what we have done, we have gone through a complete cycle, okay, from 0 to 2 pi. So now if I am asking you what is the value for sin theta is equal to 0, what theta will be, then will you answer only that sir at 0 it is 0? No, we will be having different values. At pi also it is 0, at 2 pi also it is 0, negative of pi it is also 0, because we have drawn the graphs. Okay, so basic thing is we are using is equal to here. Okay, so that are the equations. Now I am just going with a definition first, and then I am explaining you the concept once again. Now an equation which involves one or more trigonometric functions of unknown angles is called trigonometric equations. Is called trigonometric equations. Now we have written an equation which involves one. First of all, let's discuss one. As I give you an example, for sin theta is equal to 0. Okay. So if we are having a graph part for this one, so now graphical part is like this. Now suppose this is 0 and up to here it is 2 pi and this is pi. Okay. Similarly, if I am moving this side like this, so this is negative of pi, this is negative of 2 pi. So graphically it indicates what? That 0 at theta, when theta is 0, it is 0. When theta is pi, means sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin negative pi 0. So it can be, there can be numerous values. Okay. Now the thing is, if we are having one or more trigonometric functions, now for example we are having, suppose sin theta plus sin 5 theta plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. Then again let this be the one example. Then an example can be 4 cos x minus 3 secant x is equal to tan x. Now here trigonometric equation states what? It means that we should be having one common value of theta. Is it clear? There should be a common value of theta, so that for one function sin theta, for second sin 5 theta, for third sin 3 theta, the result should be what? Summation of all these three t ratios should be 0. And how it is possible? Only when we are having theta a common value. Similarly here, now here we are having three functions. One is cos x, then secant x, then tan x. So x should be such a value, we should having such a value for x which satisfies this equation. That is what an trigonometric equation.